Hello everyone, and welcome to DelphStack. If your Android phone's flashlight is completely grayed out or refuses to turn on, it is usually because a background application is secretly using your camera lens or the system cache is corrupted. I will show you exactly how to unlock your flashlight and fix this hardware glitch right now. Let's get started. First, because your flashlight is physically hardwired to your camera module, a background glitch in the camera app will directly disable the LED light. Open your phone's main settings app and scroll down to the Apps or App Management section. Find and tap on your default camera application in the list. Tap the Force Stop button to completely halt the camera service. Next, tap on Storage and Cache, and then tap Clear Cache to delete any corrupted temporary files that might be locking up the hardware communication. Next, if another application, like a barcode scanner, a video calling app like WhatsApp, or a social media filter is stuck running in the background, your Android system will strictly block you from using the flashlight to prevent a hardware crash. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open your recent apps menu, and swipe away every single application to close them completely. Once your background is clear, press and hold your phone's physical power button and select Restart. A fresh reboot is highly effective because it forces the operating system to completely release its hold on the camera hardware. Finally, aggressive battery settings and conflicting third-party software can deliberately disable your flashlight to save power or cause permission errors. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open your Quick Settings panel and make sure that Battery Saver or Power Saving mode is completely turned off. Additionally, if you have downloaded any custom third-party flashlight applications from the Google Play Store, open your app drawer and uninstall them immediately. These older apps often clash with the built-in Android Quick Settings toggle and cause permanent freezing. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.